Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from multiple images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to compile several images into one cohesive document, whether it's for a presentation, a report, or simply organizing your files more efficiently. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all of Acrobat's powerful features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on See All Tools. This option opens up the complete suite of tools available in Acrobat Pro DC, giving you access to everything from editing to file conversion options. From the Tools menu, locate and click on Combine Files. This feature is specifically designed to merge multiple files, including images, into a single PDF document. It's a straightforward tool that makes the entire process seamless and efficient. Once you're in the Combine Files section, you'll see a button labeled Add Files. Go ahead and click on it to begin selecting the images you want to include in your PDF. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Here's where you can select multiple files at once. To do this, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each image you want to add. This multi-select feature saves you time by letting you choose all your images in one go rather than adding them one by one. Once you've selected all the images you need, click Open to import them into Acrobat. Now that your images are loaded into the Combine Files interface, you have the flexibility to customize the order in which they appear in your final PDF. Simply click on any image thumbnail and drag it left or right to rearrange the sequence. This drag and drop functionality ensures that your PDF flows exactly how you want it to, with the most important images positioned precisely where they need to be. After you've arranged your images to your satisfaction, look to the upper right corner again and click Combine. Acrobat will now process all your selected images and merge them into a single PDF document. This might take a moment depending on the number and size of your images, so just give it a few seconds to complete the task. Once the combination process is finished, your new PDF will open automatically. At this point, head back to the upper right corner one more time and click the Save button. This final step stores your newly created PDF document to your computer, making it ready to share, print, or archive. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PDF from multiple images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.